Okay, this is gonna be a quick video. I'm gonna check the sunroof, and it actually needs some adjustment because it's way off. As you can see, it needs to be almost horizontally flush, and that's a big gap. The back part of the sunroof, it also needs some adjustment because it's a little bit off. To adjust it, open the sunroof all the way, and you adjust it by loosening the screws that are here holding the glass on both sides of the car. Those are the two screws holding the glass that you need to adjust or loosen so that you can adjust the sunroof. The T25 to loosen the screws. And we'll loosen them on both sides. The adjustment is as follows. So if you put your credit card, it cannot be more than 2 millimeters. That will be over here. So from the ruler, the beginning to the number 1, that's about 2 millimeters. You cannot have a bigger gap than that on both sides of the glass. So that's about 2 there. And if you go like this, you see the gap is on this side here. It cannot be more than 2. And you tilt it this way, the gap is on this side, you cannot be more than 2. So that would be for both sides of the sunroof, over there and over here. Once you get that measurement, I do recommend a little bit of thread locker. I'm gonna use the blue one. Just put a little bit because it will move or loosen up with vibration and as you drive. You can see by factory they already have some blue thread locker. I'm gonna put a little more. Oh, just a little. And I will put it in the place there, right in there. So I'm doing one at a time. So I already put thread locker on one of them. I'm gonna make sure it's tight. I'll take the other screw out. So now the screw with the thread locker is holding the measurement or the alignment. I'm taking out the other side to put thread locker on the other screw. And it's just a little bit of thread locker. See, the factory screws have thread locker on them. So let me put some. Okay, I put some thread locker. And do the same for the other side. And we'll check the back too. So for the back screw that's in that little hole, to align it, you have to press the sunroof button to kind of get it aligned. And then you'll be able to insert the tool into that screw, loosen it up, and then move your sunroof up and down. Okay, I already loosened the screws on both sides, and I had to go up a little bit, and let's see if it's gonna be flush when I close it. Okay, so it looks pretty good. Here's the card. It's within spec. Let's check the other side. Same thing. I'm happy with that. The front, it's fine. For me, it's fine. And the front is fine. So I did have to adjust it because I was getting wind noise at around 40 miles per hour, and then on the freeway as well at around 65. And that should take care of your wind noise. Don't forget the thread locker. Thanks for watching.